Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Draw V to turn on flashlight on Realme C67 device. Realme device offer a multitude of hidden advantages that are yet to be discovered by users. Then here I will teach you how to launch flashlight without wake the screen of your device. Well, first thing first, open Play Settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, scroll down here until you find Smart Control option. Okay, just tap on it. And then, here you can select the first option, Screen of Gestures. And you can activate it by pressing this button. Well, after activating, and then here will appear 3 options. And you can activate the third one to launch flashlight by drawing V. Okay, after that, let's check it. And then here you can also turn it off by drawing V like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable Draw V to turn on flashlight on Realme C67 device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.